So to jumpstart you into the right direction for choosing your domain name, I'm going to start by sharing who to buy your domain name from. Now, I personally have always bought all of my domain names from GoDaddy.com simply because they have one of the best customer services. And I've been dealing with them for like the past 10 years and I've never had a problem, like ever. You can also try other reputable and trusted brands such as Bluehost or HostGator.com. Another important key thing to look for is the price of the domain name. Now, usually you can score a .com for pretty cheap, like maybe 99 cents type of cheap, which is usually the introductory price, but always check the renewal price. After those really cheap introductory prices like 99 cents expire at the end of that year, then you may be looking at paying about $18 to $20 a year for your domain name. A domain name is something that you have to renew the cost for once a year. You may be confused about a domain versus hosting. Hosting is really just the space where you have your website. So think of hosting as the house, but think of the domain name as the address to the house. Sometimes when you purchase the hosting, it'll include a free subdomain that is attached to the actual hosting platform. For example, myfashionboutique.wix.com or myfashionboutique.shopify.com. But for many reasons, I always highly recommend that you purchase a separate domain before you begin to market your business and your new website. It's just way more professional and easier for your visitor to type in. If you are new to my channel and you enjoy learning about how to improve your website and your visual branding, then definitely consider hitting the subscribe button for more. Also, like this video at the end if you find it helpful. So when you're choosing your domain name, more than likely you want to choose a domain name that has your brand, company, or business name in it. For example, if I am a trophy company and my business name is Amazing Awards, then I might want to purchase AmazingAwards.com. But let's just say it's not available. Then what? I recommend trying to add different combinations of words such as myamazingawards.com or amazingawards.pro.com, shopamazingawards.com, or theamazingawards.com. Sometimes just adding those little tweaks can really land you on the perfect domain name. My next tip would be to keep your domain name short and simple. Now, if you happen to have a somewhat long or difficult name that you want, then try to see if there is an abbreviated form of that word. Let's say my business is Johnson Chiropractic Center. Well, I personally wouldn't go for Johnson Chiropractic Center because it's kind of lengthy and it gives people just room for error to type it in wrong. So I would try to maybe shorten chiropractic to Chiro and search for Johnson Chiro Center instead. There's a lot of extensions that you can add to the end of your domain name, such as .com, .net, or .org. I personally always strive for the .com, which is for commercial businesses, but I would totally go for a .org if I was an organization or a .net if I was a network. But you do want to make sure that you choose the extension that makes the most sense. Well, I hope you have found these tips helpful. If you have, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.